Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So like I explained in the other videos, it didn't record. It's the third time I've said this. So like I explained, I bought a load of jokey things and tried to scare people and the animals. This sounds really bad. Just watch and you'll understand. But they didn't record. Well, some of them did, but they just jump, so they're not usable, I'm afraid. So yes, this is the intro to it. This one was meant to sound like a fart, but it didn't. It sounds weird and it just it's not a nice noise, to be fair. But I went to my mum's, I scared my mum a bit, and the dog didn't like it at all. I don't think you can see it in the video, but after I stopped recording, obviously you won't be able to see it in the video then, he did not take his eyes off me one little bit. He kept, like, do you know when a cat gets angry and they throw their tail up in the air? Well, that's what he was doing. He's a dog, like, mind you, but he just looked angry as well. Big German Shepherd, and he's just like this, staring at me, because he don't like what I'm doing. But keep watching to see. Hope you enjoy. Blah blah blah. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and add me on all my social media in the description. Bye. Sit down. Sit. 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 No. No.
Oh, what? It's talking.
Do you not like it, Duke?
It's morning.
What is it? What is it?
He's looking at you out the corner of his eye.
Right.
Oh, gone. Oh, gone.
All gone.
It's all gone now.
Look at Duke. Again?
Beck, are you videoing? Stop. Stop.